Ito ay Happy Teacher's Day. I have seen how happy you must have been today, and I hope that the same happiness could still radiate its passing day in this school where you are assigned. And then, since last week, I have been thinking of the ways how can I reach you all today, because of the disturbance that our mayor called me up yesterday. Uy, imbitahan ako sa Teacher's Day. No? Na it's one in a million. I've been in different municipalities, but it's the first time nga kitang may hagaron sa LGU nga imbitahan namin. No? Imbitahan namin. So far, we haven't asked anything from the LGU nga balibaran ta. But of course, kana pong atong pinangayuan, pinatiming yun sad na. I do it in my most refined ways so that everything that I will be asking for the teachers, for our district, I will always gain the yeses of our municipal local government unit. Again, I would like to extend congratulations to all of you for being so successful in making yourselves happy today. You know what makes me happy since this morning from Commonwealth to Pedro Molde and here in Latungan Elementary School is the fact that you teachers, despite the reality na on Teacher's Day, supposedly, we should be honored, we should be recognized by an outsider, an external community. But, kita naman, hindi hapoy maglipay-lipay sa itong kaugalingon. Kita rin maglipay-lipay sa itong kaugalingon, and I'd like to congratulate all of you for making yourselves happy. Kaya naimo na malagit ka nga, kung gusto kang malipay, dili ka mag-uol. Kung gusto kang malipay, ayaw kag-uol. And I have started seeing that in the different schools in the district. So, mauna nga, ako kung naalan siya ko'y dagang mahimo, bitaw no? Nga, dali rin dagang mahuman, nga makita ko lagi dayan ang resulta, buhaton ko gid na. That is why, siguro, ang mga school heads, makaingon nga, kanang kapuya, alin niya nga, behana di man ta niya aning undangan. Pero at the end of the day, especially if I will be gone, kay agi naman yun ng mga supervisors, no? Mahawa naman yun ng kalit. You will remember me doing those things for all of you. Tomorrow, we shall be having our district LAC session, and we wish that that same LAC session shall be your avenue, another opportunities for you to grow in your profession. Kaya kung naaragay magtabang na to, daklit lang mangyod na, no? Sama sa pagbisita nilang mayor, daklit lang. Pero ang kanak yung nunod patay yung magkauban, kita mangyod na. Another thing is that what made me happy is the fact that all of you were just moving so spontaneously, so natural as if I wasn't here. Namaragulat na ako. Ganina ka, kung pagtingin yung kiata, nakaimig ko nga, sus no. Kung ano mga supervisors mo siguro ilan-anisan sa una, no?
Mga yung may pasaylo, dili.
How we wish. Pero siguro, generation gap, dahil ang kalibutan nila sa una, lagi sa kalibutan karon, malipay ko maguna-una nga, libre lang din mo maglihok-lihok, nga natural lang yung kaayo, isala ako. So, that goes to show nga, okay na gano'n, no? Okay na gano'n. At least, I have created that psychological climate with you nga dili mo ba, Kuya Juan, no? I have been telling
Salamat, ma'am.
And the municipal mayor nga, it's not every day these teachers act this way. Nga, kung ano yung rin kailangan mag-uniform sila, mura din silang mga santa. Kaya karon at kailangan sila, sabihin lang kailangan maning adlaw. No, kailangan maning adlaw. Dili man, kung gani nga, supposedly, I have that initial plan of having this celebration district-wide. Pero given time, because I was also preoccupied with the many trainings I was involved, na kulangan ko sa time to really make that preparation you deserve na anong district-wide. So mga to, nagsumangin na lang rin ko ingon nga, school-based na lang. Pero, at the back of my mind, I was thinking to really give you an alone time. Nga ka na bang kamurag yun. Nga celebrate the you, the teacher in you, the person that you are, celebrate that today. You still have few hours left. Kamo na lang, no? Iyan pa din mo kamo. Kay wala na ko, kay wala na ko. Kung nakainom ko, iyan na kayo mo ato, pero katunga pa di ay ko. Kung wala na ko, you do it for yourselves. Because if one is KJ, if one or two is KJ, manakot siya na sila. Pero if one or two of you are joyful, cheerful, that would also radiate to the rest of you here. So wala tayong choice, kita rin maglipay-lipay sa atong kaugalingon. Though there are those who will greet us, no, na makahinungdog ng mga estudyante, like si Christine, estudyante ko ba ni, dito po ganina, napo ko yung mga estudyante sa kong ipangantuan, and they were also able to remember me, no, nasa iyo sila nagpahinungdog. Your learners also have been thinking of you today, nakahinungdog sa sila ninyo. And of course, we thank God for being in this profession. Hindi lahat na nagtapos ng kursong edukasyon, nabigyan ng ganitong pagkakataon na tinatamasa natin hanggang sa minutong ito. Now, ito'y panaginip lamang para sa iba, pero ang sa nato, reality nato.
Yes.
So again, congratulations. Enjoy the rest of the day. Happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you, ma'am. I love you, ma'am.
I love you, ma'am. We love you, ma'am.